Hello! In this video, we will explain the graphical trigonometry function.
With me, Lupita Wulandari.
And Akila Verda Istinabila. Okay, first, what is trigonometry? In junior high school, we already know that the main function in trigonometry are sin, cos, and tan. They are simple one side of right angle triangle divided by another. For any angle theta, sin theta opposite divide the hypotenuse. Cos theta adjacent divide that hypotenuse. Tan theta opposite divide adjacent. In Indonesia, we know that asin demi, depan miring, kosami, samping miring, and tan desa. Okay, click to see the videos.
Okay, now we'll help you to find the value of sin alpha, cos alpha, and tan alpha with the easy way. The first thing that we have to do is change the distance of x-axis. Click axis distance and change to Dibuat 2. Then you can close it. After that, we create a slider for the alpha. Choose the angle and OK. After that, we draw a circle. Choose the circle, center, and radius. And okay. After that, we can try to find the intersect between the circle and the x-axis. There are 2 points B and C. After that, we can draw an angle with given size from C A to change this 45 to alpha. Okay, after that we can make a polygon and a circular arc from A, C, and C. We can change the G or the circular arc maybe with yellow and then close it. If we slide the slider, it will yellow all over the circle. After that, we can use the input below with F equal to sin alpha. Don't forget to make this and enter. G equal to cos alpha and then enter. X equal to tan alpha and then enter. After that, we use the text. We can write a sin alpha with latex formula. Click the latex formula. Object. Click the latex formula and choose the alpha equal to F. Cos alpha equal to G and tan alpha equal to H, and then okay, can move this. Next, if the alpha is 0, sin alpha will be 0, cos alpha will be 1, and tan alpha will be 0. You can slide with the elephant that you have to know. Okay, and bye.
In senior high school, we already know about trigonometry function. What is trigonometry function? Trigonometry function is x-axis as an angle value. The length is the same as the circumference of the circle to PR, and y-axis is a function value. The scale is calculated as 1 unit as the radius of the circle. And there are 3 important components in the graph of trigonometry function, namely the maximum value of a function is the highest ordinate value achieved by that function. The minimum value of a function is the lowest ordinate value achieved by that function. Period of function, which is the magnitude of the angle interval needed to perform one round of function. For more detail, graph will be given simple trigonometry function y sin x, y cos x, and y tan x. This is sample of the graph of sin function. The basic sin function is y sin x. The graph of this function can be described as follows this picture. This is and domain x element real. Range -1 more or less sin x and 1 more than sin x. The function period is 360, meaning that the function will repeat every 360 multiples. And graph of cos function. The sin and cosine graph are very similar as they could. They have domain same, x element r, range -1 more or less cos x, 1 more than cos x, and function period is 360 and will repeat every 360. Okay, and if you need example, please look this picture. Graph of tan function. The basic tan function is y tan x. The graph of this function can be described as follows this picture. Okay, domain tan function same like domain cos and sin function. It's x element r, but the range is different. The range of tan is -infinity more or less cos x, and infinite is more than cos x. The function period is 180. meaning that the function will repeat every 180 multiples. If you need see the video, click the rocket.
The first thing that we have to do is change the distance of the x-axis. Distance equal to. After that, we draw a circle. Choose the circle center and radius. And 1. Okay. After that, we have to know the intersect between the circle and the x-axis. There are 2 points B and C. After that, we draw more points on object. Example D, and choose the perpendicular line. Click the D and the x-axis. After that, intersect between F and x-axis. We can hide the F. After that, we draw an angle C-A-D and draw a polygon from C-A-D. After that, we use this circular arc from A, C, D. We can change the color to make it different. Example, I choose the pink one and then close it. After that, we have input in below. For draw a scene graph, we can type fx equal to E, the circular arc, and Y, D, the point on object that we have made, and enter. Saya kok udah final, ada yang kurang tah? What the In the input below, we can type F equal to E, the circular arc, and Y, D, the point that we have made before, and enter. After that, we can change the color of F with the green one and then close it. On the trace and animation on in D. Then there is the scene graph with circle. For cos x equal to E x D and enter. You can choose the color to the blue one and then trace on and on the animation. The green one is the graph for sin and the blue one is the graph for cos.
Okay, last, general form of trigonometry function. You can look this. Okay. It's time to quiz. Click quiz for start. Click. Okay. First, what do you think the graph of y sin 2x would look like?
Now, I will show you the easy way to draw a sin graph, cos graph, and tan graph. We just need 4 sliders. But the first thing that we have to do is change the x-axis to p per 2, like before. After that, we have to make a slider A, B, C, and D. After that, in input below, we can write a formula for sin f(x) equal to a times sin b times x minus c plus d, and enter. And g x. For the cos, the formula is similar but just change the sin. A times cos b times x minus c plus d, enter. And the tan x equal to a times tan b times x minus c plus d. And enter. We can change c to the 0 and d to the 0, so it will be a graph of sin, tan, cos in the general form. Sin x, cos x, and tan x. So the green one is the graph for sin, the red one is the graph for cos, and the blue one is the graph for tan. For number 1, we need the graph of sin, so we can hide the cos and tan. The question is sin 2x. So from the formula, we know that we just change the b to have a sin 2x. This is the graph.
So from the video, we know that the answer is A. Click. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And check check. Wow, congratulations, you are right. Okay. Number 2. If the minimum and the maximum point of fx a cos x plus b are 1 and 2, so what is fx?
For number 2, we need the cos, so we can open the cos and make it to the general. In question number 2, we need codes that have minimum point in 1 and the maximum point in 2. So from the formula, we just change the D to 1 or 2. So the minimum is 1, but the maximum still 3. So we can change the A and B again. So this is the formula or the form for a graph of codes that have minimum point in 1 and maximum point in 2.
Okay, from the video, we know that the answer is jeng jeng jeng. C. Are you sure? Yes. Congratulations, you are right. Okay, next. Last question. What do you think the graph of y tan x plus 1 would look like? Check the videos.
And the question number 3, the question is tan x plus 1. So we just hide the cos and open the tan, make it the general form first, and we can change the C, so it will be plus 1. Okay, and that's the graph.
Okay. From the video, we know that the answer is B. Click. Are you sure? Yes. Congratulations.